Alright y'all, so right now we are in the car. We are finna to go to Walmart, go pick up a couple of things from Walmart, and then I need to go buy this mobile, like not mobile, but like for like air, you know, what is it? I need to go to, what is it, like some tech place, you guys, to go figure out about my AirPods, y'all, because I went and picked them up after I gave birth to Legend. Probably like 2 weeks after I gave birth to Legend, y'all, and they was like, oh, they sent you new AirPods, and yeah, they won't even connect to my phone, so I'm literally trying to figure out what's going on. So I'm gonna go do that, and then grocery shop. So yeah, that's all that's on the agenda for today. So we meat shopping, grocery shopping, go to the tech place to see about my AirPods, and then we're on our way to Walmart right now. So you guys stay along for this part of today's video. If you are new, I'm She's Pretty Red, you guys. If you're new to my channel, I am a mommy of 10 children, and I hope you guys enjoy my content. Please consider subscribing. Make sure you guys share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into today's video. In Walmart, first stop, y'all. Get some little personal items, and then I'll be able to go. Yeah, I know I cannot be the only one that wears Pampers on their periods. Comment below if you wear Pampers. So comfortable, don't judge me. The husband, hey baby. Yeah, look at the new setup in Walmart. Looks so good, look like Target. Don't it? Look like Target.
Run that bell from here.
I don't.
Remember some old time days?
I don't want to ring nobody bell, y'all. I remember doing ring the bell. Comment below if you used to be a bell ringer, y'all. I used to be a bell ringer. I used to love that job though. That was a really good job. We're on our way out of Walmart now to our next destination. We shall go. I gotta go get some lotion too, babe. Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah. Alright, y'all, so we had to make a quick pit stop. So yeah, after this we had to go to Dollar Tree. I'm gonna get me some lotion, get some more Tylenol for the kids, y'all. I know every video y'all probably hear me say I'm gonna get medicine. That's how quick my kids use medicine, because you know, obviously I have a lot of children, y'all. So we gotta keep the medicine flowing. And then we went to Walmart. We had to get like their flu.
Yeah, nobody.
They had to get some aspirin and things like that. So yeah, your girl is just sitting here waiting for my man. My man to come back out of the building, and then yeah.
Nobody.
So yeah, y'all, how are you guys doing today? Comment below. Let me know how you guys are doing. The kids is doing good. Hopefully tonight we'll do gingerbread houses, you guys. Fingers crossed, if I have strength and time, y'all. So depending on how everybody is feeling. Alright, y'all, so I'm in Office Depot. Gotta send off a package for my auntie. So I'm here to do that, and then I can go. Baby's up there putting some money on a gift card. Alright, y'all, so out of Office Depot, I had to end up going to UPS to drop the package off, y'all. So that is done. Drop off receipt right here. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so now I'm in Aldi's, about to go grocery shopping. You guys, if you don't have an Aldi's, what are you doing? Okay, it's the best. Okay, but anyway, restroom break. I'm gonna try to show you guys why I'm grocery shopping, what I get, because I don't feel like doing the whole haul when I'm home. Peace. Yeah, so this is what grocery shopping is looking like, y'all. I could not record, but baby, stuffed and packed, okay? Stocked and loaded, period. There's an ice box stocked. Oh, seriously, fully packed, y'all. So we have some. I also got some of the Tyson chicken livers. Y'all already know we love beef livers, but yeah, we full to capacity, baby. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys how those chicken livers actually taste.